guys, I'm going to show you how to assemble this cute Father's Day barbecue card with a gift card. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I want to give you a free welcome bundle. Just make sure to stick around till the very end and I will let you know how you can get access to that free bundle. The first thing I'm doing is I'm taking all of the little pieces, the hot dogs, the burgers, and the fire, and I am gluing those all on. And then I am weeding the Happy Father's Day and taking some transfer tape and placing that on the silver background and then gluing it onto the top there. And then next I am gluing the bottom little door pieces together as well. And next what I'm doing is I'm taking the two side pieces, I'm attaching them to the back of the grill, and then I'm going to also attach the front, which is the piece with the doors and the gift card holder. So the two sides, this is the right side, right flap, and then the left side over here, just gluing the tabs, putting some glue on the tabs, and then adding the left side. And then next I'm going to take the little doors, and your design is going to look slightly different because I decided to add some tabs onto that front piece as well, just to give it a little bit more stability. And so that gets glued onto the side there. Okay, and then next what I'm doing is I am taking all of these center pieces and I'm going to fold down these tabs, and then I'm going to place each tab, glue each tab down, starting from the back to the front, and there'll be like a little bit of space in between each one. So first I'm going to start with this back one. I'm going to fold the tab. In fact, I'm just going to go ahead and fold the left tab for all of these. Okay, and now I'm going to apply some tape to the tab of the very back one. And then I'm going to bring that over and I'm going to put that on that left, the left side of the casing there, the left side of the barbecue, and towards the back. And then the next one, I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to put it just in front of that, those yellow flames there. And they're just going to each kind of go, I'm going to align it towards the bottom. So notice this one is just a little bit shorter, and they each kind of get shorter as you go more to the front. So each little grill piece. So we've got the yellow flame, we've got the orange flame, and then next we've got the red flame. The red flame is going to be a little bit shorter in height. So I'm going to get that tape on. And the tape is going on the front of the tab, and then I'm sort of folding it, placing it down, and then sort of folding it backwards. And you can see, once again, I'm aligning this to the bottom. So all the bottoms are sort of aligned together. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with the burgers. And then the hot dogs will be on the front, and that is the shortest one. And the reason why they just get shorter as you go forward is just so that you could see everything. So when I hold it like this, you can kind of see what it's going to look like. Okay, so now I've flipped over my black pieces, and then what I'm doing is I'm just folding the tabs of each one. Okay, and now that each of these tabs are folded back, I'm going to apply some glue tape to each of those tabs. And then I'm going to take this back part, fold it forward so that all of the tabs, oh, and got to get that one tab as well. And so you're basically folding all of the tabs down and it's all glued together. Feel free to go back and rewind if you need to watch that again. I know it's a little bit tricky, but it's pretty simple once you get the hang of it, because you just fold it down and then all the pieces get glued onto the side. All right, so now I am just taking my little utensils. I'm gluing those together, and then those are gonna go on the right side. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and glue 2 on each side. Doesn't matter which ones. You can choose 2 to go on the left side and then 2 to go on the right side. And they're just cute. I just used some silver paper. It's very reflective looking cardstock, and I use that to cut out my utensils. But if you don't have that, you could just use a gray or whatever color you have on hand. And the last thing I'm going to do is add in a gift card for Dad. If you are one of my amazing VIP Crafters Club members, you already know that this cut file is available for you to download free with your membership. I have included a link in the description for you to access that easily. And if you are not yet a member of VIP Crafters Club, don't worry, you can still get access to this file. All you have to do is visit the link in the description box to purchase this file directly, or better yet, why not join this incredible community with thousands of other crafters? VIP Crafters Club is a digital monthly crafting subscription. You will get access to all of these amazing crafts that you're seeing on your screen right now. It's perfect for beginner and experienced Cricut and Silhouette crafters. Every month, I provide you with brand new cut files, a list of materials, and a complete step-by-step tutorial, including how to upload and set up the SVG files in Cricut Design Space and Silhouette Studio, so that you can create a new and interesting project from start to finish, something that really stretches your creativity and challenges you to do something new and different with your Cricut or Silhouette. You'll get lots of amazing projects and cut files that's going to build your confidence with using your machine. Every month there is something new. My members tell me that it feels like Christmas morning every single month. And plus, small business commercial use is allowed because I love to see my members earning money selling the crafts that they make using my cut files. Totally optional, but just something I like to throw in there in case you are somebody who has a small business. We even have a live virtual crafting party once a month where we craft virtually together via Zoom. We have fun, we laugh, we share our creations. It is really a wonderful, tight-knit community with some of the most amazing group of crafters that you will ever know. We all get to craft with each other, and it's just such a really special thing to be a part of. So I hope that you'll consider crafting right along with us. And it does not cost much. The monthly fee is less than a trip to McDonald's. So check it out, and also be sure to check the description box for a special link and a coupon code so that you can save even more. So go ahead, check it out. I hope that you'll join us, and I look forward to crafting with you. If you are new to my channel, I would love to gift you this free welcome bundle. All you have to do is go to my website at betterlifeblog.com/welcome, and you will get to download this free bundle. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and maybe learned something new. And if you did, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you'd like to get notified whenever I post a new video, go ahead and ring that cute little bell. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you learned something new from this video. I hope that you found it interesting, and I hope that you'll come back and see some more of my videos. Below are a couple of fun videos for you to watch. I hope that you'll enjoy, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.